stand out in the world of convertibles. While the era of foldable roof might be fading, BMW is keeping the tradition alive with its Z4 roof, along with the 4 Series and 8 Series convertible. The Z4 is a stylish two-seater that's not just about look. It's fun to drive, though it doesn't have a high-performance range like its bigger sibling. The M40i model is still a blast. You might think the 4-cylinder Z4 driver 30i is less thrilling than the 6-cylinder M40i, but you'd be surprised. A test shows the S-Drive 30i can hit from 0 to 60 mph in just 5.3 seconds, while the M40i beats it with a 4.1 second sprint. If you are eyeing convertible, there aren't many options left, especially two-seaters like the Z4 for budget-friendly alternatives. Check out the Mazda Miata or Ford Mustang. If you're looking at similar price points, the Audi A5 and S5 Cabriolet are worth a look. On the pricier side, the Mercedes-Benz ELE Cabriolet, Chevrolet Corvette and Ford 718 Boxster might offer more luxury and performance. When it comes to the comfort, the Z4 handles well on highway and rough roads thanks to its adaptive M-Sport suspension. However, because the seats are close to the rear wheel, you might feel road imperfection more acutely. Inside, despite being a compact car, the Z4 feels surprisingly spacious. Tall drivers will find plenty of headroom, shoulder room and legroom, even with the top-up. The power-operated roof folds quickly and doesn't eat up trunk space when down. Technology-wise, the Z4 impresses with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is still a rarity in this class. This might not have the latest from the Mercedes-Benz, but it's set up from its older system. There are only one USB port, but you can add a wireless charging pad if needed. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Z4 holds its own. This 4-cylinder model averages around 28 mpg combined, while the 6-cylinder variant gets about 20 mpg combined. Overall, the Z4 offers a blend of style, performance and practicality that stand out in its segment.